Say it again, TJ.
Some girls over here. Let's get their numbers.
Let's do it. Hey, how's it going? Alright, that's your number. We got it. Hey! Get them. They're not going to get away with this.
Where the police?
Pull over. Ossifer down. Ossifer down. Call 911. Ossifer down.
Hyper speed. Oh my God, they've been broken. We got stuck.
Her legs. There's a snapping turtle.
Oh my goodness. What if there was a cup holder? They have cup holders here.
Watch out, there's a snapping turtle, remember?
Pull over.
Get her legs, get her legs!
No, go away.
Go over. God damn it.
Police really need better boots.
Don't they?
Not the same as the other people.
Police need to start having Corvettes.
We should go run into those little kids over there. Hey, throw sticks at us and see what happens.
Hey boys.
Yeah! Throw sticks at us. We will catch them.
No, they're catching up.
No, what? Yeah, you say that because you're over there and you run even though I'm in a boat and I'm definitely not jumping out to get you because you're not worth it.
Crash!
No, away. Now.
Oh, let's go get a hold of their boat. That's what we're gonna do.
No.
Yeah. We're circles. Go, 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 go!
What can you just do? It's not even going that fast anymore, just relax.
Alright, now we're all in it, okay?
Hey guys.
We win. Police
No.
Yes!
No, Devin.
No.
No, Devin. No, Devin.
Yes! Ow, I got a cramp. Dude, look at my toe. It's all cramped up. Ah, dude, look at it. Look at my toe, dude.
Oh, God.
Ah!
Oh my God.
Did you see it?
That's nasty.
Why did it do that?
Hey, don't be fun if everybody just took their pants off.
You guys gotta...
Stuff for us.
I'm so glad I got it on tape.
Go, get them. Alright, we try to race back to the... Go on the side of them, Let's say, watch out, we're on the side. We're gonna race back to the whole place.
No, we're just gonna go. We're gonna win.
You got
What?
You got the one who...
If it's not a race, then how are you gonna win?
You got the
Oh, they're gonna catch us.
Alright, here we
We're
go.
a catch.
Michelle, Kylie, and Aurora, ready?
Ready?
Marks.
I'm not ready.
They're not. I don't think they're ready. They're backwards.
Alright, come on, turn around so we can race.
Where are you going? All right, let me steer.
Alright, they're turning around.
Oh, okay. Well, they suck at turning around.
It's just chill time.
Do a tight turn. All right.
Get our feet wet.
All right, ready.
1,
2, 3. Ah! Ow! Ow! That didn't. Ah, I got one too. I got one in my toe and my leg.
Yes.
Why have we been getting these all day? It's because we ate and then swam.
Charlie horse.
Bye.
Oh, jeez. That's a mean Charlie horse.
Yeah.
Oh,
This
my
is like the
goodness.
worst time to get one too.
I know.
When we're stranded in a pond, whatever.
Are you guys ready?
Hey, you guys ready?
Starting to run again. How do we get a try?
We're gonna use our hands. Come on, guys. What are you doing? All right, let's
Go
just,
backwards.
yeah, backwards. I'm about to like jump out and go under their boat and tip it over like a shark.
Why are we going the right way?
I don't know. I think it's because when you steer, backing up, it's the opposite.
Alright, straight.
Hi.
Are you still recording this?
Yeah.
You recording me got Charlie horses?
Yeah. At the same time.
Hey, girls.
I got a Charlie horse and TJ has a Charlie horse at the same damn time.
And the boat get Charlie horse.
Same damn time. Really? Kidding. Dude, you think that we can raise it to be a cat?
Hey, girls.
It'll leave us before we get to it.
Go towards it, don't we?
Hey, let's get.
They're just time into theirs.
No.
No, go, Devin!
Stop.
Go! Go! No! No!
We're pulling away!
Oh man, I got a Charlie horse and my toe is like so separated from my foot. Push her off.
Don't do this.
All right, we're gonna push you off.
Go, Devin. Devin, go.
Yeah.
Devin, go. We're gonna die.
Where are we gonna die from?
Oh gosh, we lost the step.
Oh, we lost the snapping turtle, guys. You scared it.
You got scared it away.
Well, now it's under the water and about to jump out and kill us.
All right, come on. Shh, slowly. Good to go.
Is that an alligator over there? Where? Bubbles. Bubbles? What? There's bubbles in front of us?
What if the snapper turtle just came up and like, rawr, like loud this one?
Yeah. I think they hissed. They're like,
Why is it so green? Turtle really that green?
Oh, here he is. We found them.
I think that's it.
All right, let's approach him slowly.
We found him.
Oh, he went under. Run him over. Roadkill. Howdy, sir. No, he was just there. He popped under. Oh, they're all the way over there.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're gonna crash. There it. Oh no, oh, he's right there. Hey, let's go head on.
Oh, we're gonna beat you guys.
Hi,
Go, Devin.
Go, 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 go. Oh no, they're turning around.
No, I hate you guys.
Liars!
We're still gonna win though.
They're trying to beat us. I think they're the same. Ours, you have feet and you're not even kicking them.
We're race cars.
All right, I'm gonna get a picture of us in the background. You guys in the background because we're winning. See, we're winning. Me and TJ. See? Whoa! I hope I got it, dude. Let's try again. Ah! We just screamed at it. Why did we scream? Ah! It's a picture.
Pictures.
It's a snapshot, actually. So I guess it was worth it. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna beat them. I don't even want to beat them.
Cruise control.
We might hurt their
We're
feelings.
just cruising, man.
Cruise control?
Yeah.
We need the turtle for that.
Oh, she's. Alright. Don't lie. Does it look like that's moving up there?
Yeah.
Just stare at it. It looks like it's moving. We're on cruise control, guys.
Yeah, what are you guys doing?
Go back and get another boat.
You guys are lazy.
I'm on, Kylie. Get another boat. I'm gonna get another boat.
Come on.
We're on cruise control.
Can we chill too and just run into you a few times?
Alright, Kylie, start going. Let's go.
Alright, yeah, I think this ride's over.
Oh, snap. They're catching up.
We got 2 minutes to get there.
Why?
Because YouTube doesn't allow 10-minute videos. And this is 8 minutes.
You should just stop it and start it over again. Be like part 2.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Do we have to save them?
Let's go win first.
Let's go win first. We'll help you after we win.
Hold on.
Alright, cool. That's cool.
And we're gonna win first. Alright, we won.
Does this count as winning?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, we're not coming back. We're not coming
Yeah, we just wanted to win a race.
Yeah.
Alright, here we
Alright,
go.
here we come.
We're coming. What do they need help with?
Oh,
You
no.
need help with stealing our boat again? Whoa!
Humanites.
That's cool.